guys, so for today's video I want to do a vlog. I have a lot of like little cleaning things I need to do. I need to clean my brushes and some of my beauty blenders. Also really need to clean my vanity. I just really want to wipe it down and disinfect it and just dust it and all that, so I'm going to use this disinfectant and then dust. My eye wrinkles have gotten so bad. So I want to quickly show you these eye patches I've been using that I've been loving. And it's from Peter Thomas Roth, and it's the 24 karat gold pure luxury firm eye patches. So I'm just gonna put these on while I clean my brushes. They feel so cooling. I love these. And I also did a small order on Sephora, and I just got the package today, so I'm going to quickly show you guys that too. This is not a very flattering angle of me, but whatever. So I got just a couple things from Sephora. First, I got this Peace Out Wrinkles microneedling eye patch, and it has 6 uses in here, but it's not necessarily just for the eyes. It looks like you can use it on the smile lines or even like on your forehead. It states that each patch contains 450 self-dissolving hyaluronic acid microneedles that create tiny pathways for retinol, vitamin C, and peptides to visibly smooth the look of wrinkles at the source. You can use this 2 times per week for at least 2 consecutive weeks for softer, smoother looking skin. So I already have eye patches on now, but I'm excited to use this. I'll have to keep you guys updated. Then from the same Peace Out brand, I got the retinol eye stick. So I love like eye creams that are like this, like the twist up eye things that kind of look like chapsticks, but I don't know why, but I really enjoy eye creams that are packaged like this. It just makes it so much easier to apply eye cream. But this is what this looks like. So this one states that it is a non-irritating concentrated serum balm that fights tiredness, anti-aging skin, visibly smooths out fine lines and wrinkles for firmer and smoother looking eyes. So this is right up my alley, but it literally looks like a little chapstick. That's what it looks like. This I think was like $28, and it is 0.14 ounces, which isn't much, so hopefully I see a difference with this. I'll keep you guys updated. Then the last thing I got is the new Gloss Bomb cream lip glosses, and I got just one in the shade Fenty Glow. You can't go wrong with that. So this is what it looks like, and it has like the same doe foot applicator. It has a different scent to it though. It's not as fruity. Almost has more of a chemical-y scent to it, but this is the shade. Super beautiful, classic like lip gloss. I saw swatches of other shades of them, but I only wanted to pick up one. So if I love this one, I might pick up more shades, but it's super pretty. Okay, so that's everything that I got from Sephora. So I'm going to start cleaning my brushes, which I dread to do, but I really need to do it. So I'm gonna do that and then clean up my vanity a bit. I'm just gonna use this Sephora box to put all my stuff in that I need to clean. But I have so many like little eye brushes that needs to be cleaned. So usually I'll just use the solid cleanser from Beauty Blender to clean all my brushes in Beauty Blender, but I have this solid sponge cleanser that I've been using from e.l.f. and it actually works really good for brushes too, so I think I'm gonna try to finish this up. When I quickly just spot clean my brushes, I have to talk about this because it's so good. This is just the tin, but it's from the brand Cinema Secrets. I'll insert a photo of it, but I love the spot cleaning for this. I bought the huge bottle of it and I just use that to quickly clean my brushes because it like instantly dries, but it cleans it so well. Okay, so when I clean my sponges, I'll just get it damp underneath the water and then just rub it right into the solid and get it all nice and soapy. but it actually cleans it super well. Here's the sponge, it's all clean now. So then I'll just do the same thing with my brushes. I'll just get the brush wet and then just swirl it right in there. But I also have this little like mitt thing that I like to use, and this is also from e.l.f. I don't even know if they sell this stuff anymore. I'll have to check and I'll link it all below, but I love this little mitt. It works so good. And the solid cleanser is actually pretty good, but if they don't have this one in stock anymore, Ecotools has like a brush shampoo that I really, really like too. Here's the brush, nice and clean. But I love that solid because I think I bought it for only like, gosh, I forget how much it was, but it was super affordable. Okay, so my brushes are all clean and so are my beauty blenders. Just gonna let them sit here and dry out for the night. And then I'm also gonna leave the solid open so it can air out. But yeah, that was a lot faster than I thought it would be, which is nice. I literally haven't wiped down my vanity in so long, so it's much needed right now. So I have everything nice and sanitized and clean. It just looks so much better and more sparkly. So I just recently got this Silk in Flash and Go Express hair removal tool from Ulta. And I actually saved up a bunch of my Ulta points and was able to use them all to get this. So I actually didn't pay any extra money to get this, which is nice. So I haven't used this yet, so this is definitely going to be a learning experience. So it comes in this box. And I mainly got this because I want to get rid of my armpit hair, or at least cut down the growth of it. So this is the inside. Comes with the tool, a plug, and then it looks like it comes with some extra plugins, like if you were in a different country. So here's the instructions, which I definitely have to read because I do not know how to use this. Okay, so it has like the energy levels, like your skin tone. So I can probably do the energy level 3 to 4. Okay, so the area that you're going to treat should be shaved, clean, and dry and free of any powders, antiperspirants, or deodorants. You don't want to wax or tweeze the area. You just want to shave it. Since I can go from 3 to 4, I think I'm going to start at 3 because I don't know how bad it hurts. But you just press this power button until you get to the number that you want. So I'd want to go up to 3. I think I'm going to start on my legs. Okay, so I have it on the level 3 and it's going to sound like a little fan thing, it says. So you want to put it right on the skin. Oh, I hope it doesn't hurt. And then you just press the button. Oh, it doesn't hurt. And then it says to move it a little bit so that you get like a different area that has hair, but not in the same spot. It doesn't really feel like anything. It just feels like a little bit of heat. After I do my legs, I'm gonna do my armpits, but like down at the bottom of my leg area is where I have like the most hair growth. But it seems like for it to completely do its thing, you really have to press down on the skin. So you can do 1 to 4 treatments, but you have to plan them 2 weeks apart. And then once you get to your 5 and 7, you have to plan them 4 weeks apart. And then treatments 8 and up, do a treatment as you desire. So like if you still have a lot more hair growth, then just keep doing it as you desire, it says. And after you do this, it says to always wear sunscreen, especially if you're doing your face. So I have my armpit shaved. I'm gonna go ahead and start. Just move it up a little bit. I'm starting to feel the heat a little bit more. Face looks really greasy because I have like a heavy oil on. Anyways, so I just finished my legs and my armpits. So I'm gonna do this again next week. So I only did it on the level 3 today. So I think like my 3rd session, I'll move up another level. But I'm excited. I hope this actually really works because this is a lot cheaper than actually going in and getting actual laser hair removal, but we will see. But yes, that is everything I have for this vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. It will help me so much, and I will see you in the next one.